Okay, I decided to just remove the cover of this hot end here before removing the two screws. There are two screws that holds this whole assembly onto this carriage here. So I didn't have to remove the cover here, but I removed the cover first, and you can see the innards of this whole assembly. It's a nice assembly. I mean, I did do quite a bit of research on this machine before it convinced me to buy this machine, and I really like the as I mentioned in my other video, the quality of the parts. These are all metal parts, nothing 3D printed here. It's a great machine from that perspective, from that perspective or respect. Um, and so this is what it looks like. This is another metal bracket that's held here by two of these screws. So I'm going to remove that, but before I do that, I mean, just a visual inspection of this right there, that tells me that this is an inductive coil. So this is an inductive sensor right there. You can see the coil right there. Typically coils are covered with this Kapton tape and just kind of sealed to prevent the any fraying of the thin wires. So that is the inductor there, and maybe it's using some additional electronics, maybe some transistors, to do the either positive or negative voltage sensing. So, but this looks like it's not working properly, because this when this is on, I take it that this should come down, be ready, for it touching the bed when it comes down. And so this, I mean, look at this. Well, granted, it's not on right now, but if I were to turn on the machine, that thing, I think that little pin should come down, should be automatically down. So let me turn on the machine and see what happens there, just so that we can get. I'm going to turn it on right now. Let's see. Let me push it up again. Let's focus in on that. The machine comes on. The LEDs come on inside this bed leveling sensor. The screen comes on. Everything comes on. Everything is properly uh, cycling. But that little sensor, I believe that little sensor should be down and ready to be able to touch the surface up to a certain point and trigger the stop point. So and that's got to be linked with the firmware, code inside the main board. So there's I mean, I could remove this and just put a regular sensor, but I would have to go inside the code and see how that's configured, because you have to configure all those things in code, so firmware.